In front of me is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on More Connections. Then scroll down and tap on Printing. Now you can click on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use a different service, disable this one first. Go back, hit Add Service and install the best one for your printer. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!